It's Adam Sandler!
Oh, he's so handsome, and he just won a submarine.
Yeah, I sure did. Maybe I'll take my next vacation down here. You guys play basketball?
Basketball? I'm more of a jellyfishing guy.
And I'm a jelly donut guy.
Oh, Adam.
Yes,
Guess
yeah.
what happens next?
Tell me.
I have no idea. Announcer lady, tell us what happens next.
So, you just woke up on the beach out of nowhere. Yeah. Balls swaying in the breeze. Yeah. On top of that, you have no idea how it happened.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna need you to cut the crap here. I can make up better bullshit in my sleep. Sleep that I never get. Thanks to all you Japanese folks running around, needing help or making trouble.
I know it sounds like bullshit, but I'm telling the truth. And why would I be lying? I'd just be digging my own grave.
Well, at least you're not a druggie. Nothing crazy on your report. Guess you're just another sick pervert. But hey, your country's famous for weird shit. Like the anime porn or the panty machines, huh?
Would you just listen? I'm telling you, I'm the victim! Call it robbery, grand theft even! My passport, my wallet, my clothes, my underwear! She did me so dirty! Oh shit! Oh, no freaking way! What the hell's going on?
After that, you wandered around for about a half an hour before our boys rounded your dangly ass up. And that concludes our story.
Officer, you gotta believe me!
Believe you? Do you even understand your situation? You've got no passport, no wallet, not even the clothes on your back. That effectively makes you a John Doe. How do you like your new American name? Point is, no one's gonna believe a single word you say. I'll give you one chance to unfuck yourself.
You bastard!
Yeah, that's more like it. Go ahead, take a swing. No, really, make my day. Because when the courts find out you assaulted a cop, your grave gets that much deeper.
You know, I grew up in a pretty shitty neighborhood with some pretty shitty people. But I've never met anyone so full of shit in my life.
Music to my ears, asshole. Now get up. You'll be cooling in a cell till hell freezes over.
Hey, officer.
What?
Why'd you want to be a cop in the first place?
To protect and serve, what else? Any other stupid questions?
After all, we Yakuza can be reckless. And we do get pretty violent.
Oh?
Holy! Suck on that!
Stop right there! Hey, we got a runner!
It's always a good time here on Boner Street. Boner Street.
Asshole! Look, blow me!
Fuck! So I guess a blowjob's out of the question? Oh, fuck that.
God damn those fucking bees! Oh, those bees! Fuck!
My penis and testicles! My penis and testicles!
What's all that damn clatter? Holy crap, I didn't see nothing.
Oh God, no! Oh God, I'm gonna barf! I'm gonna throw. Oh, my suit! It's ruined! Oh God, the stench! Oh my own shit! Oh, it's all in my mouth! Please, somebody help!
Are you supposed to be here? Hey, this site is dangerous. Hey, where's your hard hat?
Peace!
I will pay over your feelings to start anew. I will fill your seas with concrete and stone. I will pierce your world with girders of steel and panes of glass. I will crush your world under the weight of my cities.
genius! I'm a freaking genius!